Greetings of the day, dear students. As earlier we have discussed that the many of the professional bodies, classes, departments, and institutions have started to give their lectures, assignments, the notes, these all things with the help of Google Classroom. And many of the students are in what we can say that in a confusion that how this particular classroom is going to be joined and how we can be in our classroom, because many of the students are having problem with getting the message from institutes or departments, and that's why I have came up with this video wherein I'm going to explain you how to join that particular classroom if you are having code, because two different procedures are there in which the first one will be uh, the mail you have got from your particular creator of the classroom or your class teacher. They will send the request on your mail, particularly stating that you are supposed to join that particular group. If due to some of the reason, if you are not able to see that particular mail from your class teachers, so you can go for another procedure or another one particularly work. So in that, you can go on your Google Play Store. I'm going there. One by one procedure I'm going to explain you. So likewise, you can follow that particular procedure. So once you go on Google Play Store, just type classroom, CLASSRAAM. Once you type down it, you can see the Google Classroom below that. So click on that. Once you click on the Google Classroom, you will have a screen like this. So just install this particular app and wait till it is going to upload the particular app on your mobile. As soon as this particular app is installed, you are able to see this particular open tab in green tablet. Okay, so just wait as installation is in progress. So as soon as this is going to install, we are going to open this particular classroom. Okay, now my particular app is installed on my mobile. So click on the open button. As soon as you press the open button, you are going to see this particular screen. Just type or click on the get started button. Then you can just type or enter any of the mail ID which are you required to be enter to enter into this particular classroom. So I have selected one. As soon as you select the different particularly mail ID, you are going to see this particular screen on your mobile. You can click it over here and you can check out the settings or the things by which mail ID you have logged in to your Google Classroom. After going on this particular screen, you are able to see this plus sign on the right corner. Just click on that. Once you click on the plus sign, you are going to see two different tabs. The one is join the class and second one is create class. If you are interested to go for joining the class, click on the join class button. Then you will go get a message. Ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. It means that whoever is the creator of that particular classroom, he is having one code along with him to join for that particular class. So just ask that code and enter it over here. For example, I'm entering it, whatever code I have got on my particular WhatsApp group of my class, or might be through call. I have got that particular code from my class teacher and I have entered it over here. Once you enter the code over here, just click on this particular join. As this particular code is not of any class, so I will delete it. For an example, just I have thoroughly type it over here to just understand what I'm interested to type. Once you enter here, you are going to see the join button. Join, just press on the join, and if code is correct for your class, you are going to directly connect to your class. And once you go on your classroom or you join your class, you are going to see the message like this. I'm going to show you. Yeah, okay. So these are the different we can say that different classroom that I have connected. Likewise, for which class you have joined, that classes you are going to see it for here. Once I joined, I'm supposed to go for addition or whatever the activities are informed to me that I am supposed to be finalized or I'm supposed to be complete that activities, and I am supposed to submit that activities online over here. So these are the n number of activities that is being uploaded from my department, civil engineering department of CSMSS College of Polytechnic. And over here, I can see that the different activities that are expected from mine is uh, given over here. Okay, I will go over here. Whichever activity I'm supposed to go for working, I'm going to see or I'm going to click on that particular activity. Suppose I want to see that practical number 6. Okay, go on that. After going into that particular activity, I'm going to see the message from my class teacher or that subject teacher. He's saying that all kindly scan and upload 6th practical for checking and final submission. They have informed me some instruction over here. So according to that instruction, now I'm interested to submit my submission or the term for practical number 6. So I will click on this particular button. Whichever arrow I'm going to see over here below, you can drag down it above. You will going to see the add attachment option over here. So say add attachment. After add attachment, you can go on files. In flying on right hand corner, you are having this particular tab. So you can go on your location wherever you have kept your files. So you just click it, select any of that particular tab or file, and from that particular file, once you select it, it will be directly connected to your particular work. So likewise, for example, I will attach some of the file for this particular example. Okay, I have added it. Now that particular file is getting uploaded on my particular assignment work. This is for an example. I have just added some of the file, a random file that was present on my mobile. So you can just see now the PDF file here, right? The selected file is being shown over here. Now I will go back, write it comment over here. Please check the manual practical number 5. If you require, you can write it down here, or if not required, you can just put it down like this. Okay. So enter it and say hand in. So hand in means you are going to submit this particular whatever data you have submitted. Now you can see that the unsubmit button is there. It means that whatever work you have tried to submit, that is being submitted to your faculty, and now the person related to this is going to analyze and going to return that particular work to you. So once you submit, how this particular file is going to see to your faculty, I'm going to show you. So in particular third year I have submitted that, so I will check down the practical number 6 was submitted by me. So go on practical number 6. I think 5 number was there. Okay, we'll go on 5 number, practical number 5. Not yet, it's not being there till now. Yeah, it's handed in. So if I go on this, I'm going to check that this PDF sent by you is being here. Okay, so like this, your faculty will allot you some of the marks, whatever being there, and it will be returned to you if any corrections are there. Suppose you are having some of the correction, wrong file you have submitted. So your faculty will say that wrong file submission, or whatever may be the thing they required, they will mention it over here and will submit it back. So you are going to see this particular file in your, again, you can see it in your that particular work. Go on that practical number 6. Yes, I got it, right? So like this, you can see all these particular activities on your mobile, and you can complete your work. Hope you have understood how to follow the procedure of these particular activities, and how to join the classroom, and how to submit any kind of the work related to my activities, whichever informed by my faculties, teachers, head of the departments and institute heads. Thank you very much for looking this video. Hope you all are well known about this joining the group now or joining the classroom. Thank you very much. Thank you.